Hot news, Shona Ferguson and Connie Ferguson's family is levels on levels. The Ferguson family levels on levels. There's nothing as beautiful as having a fluid relationship with a parent. Some children really do appreciate their parents' goofy and carefree sides because it is more enjoyable when a situation calls for a jovial mood. Recently, the Ferguson ladies were in a jovial mood when they showcased their dance routine in the comfort of their own home. In a video posted by a esteemed actress and television producer, Connie Ferguson, she can be seen dancing away with her sister and 2 daughters. The caption indicated that this is something that they do on the down low when Shona Ferguson is not at home. Connie has previously mentioned that she is immensely proud of her daughters, Alicia Ferguson and Dlathu. These 3 ladies share such a strong bond, and it is easily palpable on their Instagram pages. Dlathu is heavily involved in the family's production company, Ferguson Films. She works mostly as a production coordinator and actress in some of the productions. This is another aspect of their relationship that gets nourished. They are working hard to preserve the wealth of the family. All of this whilst making a difference in the world of the arts through their bodies of work, including the Queen, Agassiz and the Impostor, to mention a few.